Go.
Okay, when one hears cancer, we think of, nightmares come to mind. And we usually associate cancer, especially with skin cancer. And we associate skin cancer with sunlight. And sometimes society has been taught that sunlight is evil, but we are misinformed or underinformed about sunlight. So, we may, okay, so substantial research has been done to show us the number of health benefits that sunlight produces. Because sunlight is the #1 vital ingredient for human body. So today I'm going to persuade you to get your daily dose of sunlight. To encourage you to get your daily dose of sunlight. So vitamin D is called the sunshine vitamin. It is produced by your skin through the UV lights. And it's perhaps the most vital vitamin that we use. It absorbs calcium, which promotes healthy bones. So, vitamin D3 deficiency can always lead to, risk of bone disease. And the most common one is this one called rickets, which, does the legs as a bow shape. In sunlight, vitamin D is the only vitamin that our bodies actually produces. And this fun fact is that reptiles cannot utilize the vitamins from a dietary supplement, so therefore they need the UV lights to help them produce that vitamin D they need. So again, sunlight is the most vital vitamin for bodies to function. And what about cancer? How does it help with cancer? So research has been done that 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight daily helps to reduce many diseases. And cancer is one of them. The University of California, San Diego, did a research with this doctor. His name is Dr. Cedric. And they found out that the people who are more exposed to sunlight have more vitamin D. Therefore, the risk of breast cancer and colon cancer are less. Also with leukemia, melanoma, they have done research and it has came back that outdoor workers actually get more exposed to UV lights opposed to UVA lights that are the bad ones for you. Because UVA lights, they can go through glass, therefore outdoor workers are less risk to get melanoma. It also promotes a strong immune system, a strong T cell system, and we need that to help us fight diseases and cancer. So how do you get your daily dose of proper sunlight safely? First, we need to know what exactly are the different UV and UVA lights. So UVA lights are the long waves, and they usually penetrate all the way down to the bottom of your skin, and UV lights are the shorter waves that are just in the outer of your skin, which are the ones that tan you and produce the vitamin D. And how do you find out when the UV and UVA lights are in your area? Well, it's by you determine the angle of the sun, and by doing that, there's a special website by the U.S. Navy, and it's called a table that you fill out, and it's the sun, and it'll tell you. Or there's an app for that as well. It's called the D-Minder, and also, and then you see if it's above 50, the angle, then it's okay. They're UV lights, and if it's below 50, then they're UVA lights where you should stay away from. And always wear sunscreen. Also, just small doses of 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure is good for you. The ozone layer and clouds are a major filter for the UV lights. They cause them to become UVA lights, which is the bad lights for you. So, when there's sun and, you know. So again, let's just go over. It produces vitamin D, promotes healthy bones, helps with the T cell, and you know how to know. So it doesn't only just help trees and flowers, it also helps, you know, grow for our bodies. So now that you know that, get up and get outside and get your sunlight. Thanks.